In this video, you will learn how to lock the screen while watching YouTube videos. To get started, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Now type in Touch Blocker. And install this app Touch Blocker, Block Touches. After installing, open this app and simply enable the notifications and allow display over other apps. That's it. Now open the YouTube app. To lock your YouTube screen, swipe down your screen and you will see the app blocker notification here. Just click on the tap to enable screen block and it will lock your YouTube screen. As you can see, I am touching my phone screen but it's not working. So you can lock your YouTube screen like this, and if you want to unlock your screen again, double click on your screen and then tap on the lock icon to unlock your screen again. That's it guys, this is how you can lock the screen while watching YouTube. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you.